So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and let me show you how to set up Google Assistant on these headphones. So for this one, you're gonna need the JBL app, the JBL Headphones app. So just launch it, basically install it from the Play Store, launch it, and make sure your headphones are connected. And then you want to scroll down and tap on Voice Assistant, tap on that. And then you should see by default it's set to the native voice assistant for your phone, and for this phone that's Bixby. So we want Google Assistant, so just come to Google Assistant and select it, and that's it. So now when you press on the action button, it's going to go to Google Assistant. So let's try that. The action button, long press. So it currently says it's not connected. So let's go back there and see what is going on. So voice assistant, let's go to Google Assistant. Tap on that link and then tap on just once. And it's gonna open up Google Assistant. So let's go ahead and set up Google Assistant. So allow Assistant to radio notifications. Yes, next. And then you can choose the notification access. I allow Google Assistant, the Google app. Keep getting your personal results when phone is locked. That's personal preferences, so I'll choose no. Get the most out of your Google Assistant. Tap on next. Your Google Assistant is ready. Just tap on done. Okay, so let's give it another shot. Let's press the action button. And as you can see, Google Assistant. So let's try and use Google Assistant. Make a call. Boss. So as you can see, a call is being made, and that basically means Google Assistant is set up and ready to go. So you can use Google Assistant to tell the Google Assistant to play the next song, increase volume, do stuff like that. Thank you for watching and good luck.